Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. I'm trying out some camo this week with one of the Hawk Infantry from Titanfall's Miniatures. Since I tried out something new last week, I wanted to give this a go as well. I fancied a navy style camo pattern with this one that would sort of fit into a city environment as well. To get the armor panels started, I give them a once over with night blue, a colour that is far lighter when it goes on than it is in the bottle or on the swatch. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. For all the fabric parts of the clothing, I went for wizard grey. Wanted something that blends with the blue but doesn't stand out too much, as that defeats the entire point of camo. The only part of exposed skin is his face, and this gets a once over with Cuirass leather. All the leather straps and belts get done with burnt umber. I may have dipped my brush into the wrong paint here, but it's still brown, and come back in afterwards and just blend it a bit more with the burnt umber again. To highlight all the fabric, I come in with warm grey, just to bring up those raised edges. The first of the random camo stripes was done with pale grey. I don't really have a plan on this part as to where to go, I'm just adding them in random places. Next up, I start adding some more stripes with Sandstone. Having this colour out, I also use it to highlight up the face. The last of the bright colours for the camo scheme is done with Celestial Blue from Two Thin Coats. Moving on to some of the metallics with night scales for the weapons and some parts of the base. The bulk of the base gets done with Tinny tin, along with some of the tips of the grenades around his waist. For the base trim and the final colour on the camo scheme, I went for just black. To make the metal parts stand out a bit more, I add in an edge highlight with plate armour. This is also used as the knife blade. Adding a bit of an edge highlight to the armour, I went around with Ice Storm, just added it to a bit more of the most prominent edges. Moving on to the washes, I get started with flesh wash for his face, the leather straps and some of the tin parts of the base. The final wash is Oblivion black wash over everything except the armor panels. I felt the wash would alter the pattern a bit too much, so I left it off of the panels. If you want a darker scheme, washing over all of these panels will just darken it down and blend that pattern a bit more. And that will be it for the Hawk Infantry. I like how it came out, but I don't think I want an entire army like this. Maybe a small skirmish team in the camouflage style would make more sense. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.